Welcome to SAT-X. We are starting a new video of a ratio which is from exercise 2.1 class 6, but this video can be follow 6 to 10 because a ratio is a common thing of educational system. We are starting from number 4. Our question: the ratio of length and breadth of a hall room is a 2:5. Putting the possible values of length and breadth in the gaps, complete the following table. So these kinds of scenario like 2:5, we can write this one 2/5. So once we making a new ratio or fill in the blank, we have to multiply same number numerator and denominator. Let's start. So first we have to write what is given. Given breadth and length, or we can say breadth is to length equals to 2:5. So we have to fill up the blank. So first we can write for number 1 2/5. Please note that first column already fill up. How? 2/5 we can write here, the value is 10/25. How? Because we are multiplying 2 times 5, which is 10, and 5 times 5 will be 25. It means this denominator and numerator we are multiplying by 5. So same thing we will do for this table. How? Look, this is our fraction and here mention 50 in denominator. So what about numerator? Look, 5 times 10 will be 50, therefore 2 times 10, it means here is 20. So our answer will be here 20. Second one, here again 2/5 equal, we don't know, so here mention 40 and here is blank. So what will be the result? 2 times 20 is a 40. So similar number we will multiply by 20. Here 5 times 20, it will be 100, right? Next, so here is 100. Number 3, 2/5 equal this one, here is 200 and here we don't know. So 5 times 40 will be 200, therefore 2 times 40 here will be 80. So our answer here is 80. Similar, number 4 column, 2/5 equal this one and here 160 and denominator we don't know. So 2 times 80 will be 160. Same, 5 times 80 will be 400. So here is 400. Okay, I hope you clear this one. So 20, 100, 80 and 400. So number 4 done. Number 5, identify the equivalent ratio of the followings. So how we can find out the value? Look, here we should divide it by the HCF of both quantities. Like here 12:18. We can consider this one is number 1. So look, this one we can write 12/18. So what is the HCF? 12 and 18 we can divide by 6, right? So 6 is a common factor of 12 and 18, which is the what? Highest common factor. So here is 2, here is 6, so here what? 2 by 6. Is it okay? No, it's not okay, because once we divide 18 divide by 6, it will be 3. So here is 3. Okay, so we can write divide by 6. Number 2, here is 6 ratio is to 18, so we can write 6 by 18. So we can divide again by 6, so here is 1 and here is 3, so 1 by 3, right? Number 3, we can write in here. So this one and this one done. 15 is to 10, so here is 15 by 10. We can divide this one by 5, so 5, here 3 and here is 2, it means 3 by 2, right? So this one become 2 is to 3, this one become 1 is to 3, and this one become 3 is to 2, right? Next, number 4. So 3 is to 2 will be unchanged because we cannot simplify this one. Number 5, here is 6 is to 9. This one we can write 6 by 9, so we can divide by 3, so 6 by 3 is a 2 and 9 by 3 is a 3, so 2 by 3. Okay, so this one we can write 2 is to 3. Now what next? 3, this one done. Then number 6, it means 2 is to 3, it will be unchanged. Then number 5, 6, 7, 1 is to 3, it's also unchanged. Then number 8, here is 2 is to 6, 2 by 6, that means we can divide by 2, here is 1, here is 3, so 1 is to 3 we can write, and this one done. Finally 12 is to 8, which is 9. 12 is to 8, this one we can write 12 by 8, we can divide by 4, so here is 3, here is 2, it means 3 is to 2. Now we are finding which is equivalent to each other. Okay, so we already find out the simplified mode or smallest mode. Look, which one is 2 is to 3 is similar thing, we can mark this one. So look, 2 is to 3, this one is 2 is to 3, and here is 2 is to 3, and no more. So it means what? It means we can write answer 12 is to 18 equals to 2 is to 3 equals to 16 is to 9. Okay, so this is the equivalent ratio. Next, 1 is to 3, this one is 1 is to 3, then where is another 1 is to 3, another one? Yes, this one is 1 is to 3, this one is 1 is to 3. So we can say 6 is to 8, 6 is to 8 equals to 1 is to 3 equals to 2 is to 6, equivalent ratio. Okay, and here look, here 3 is to 2, here another 3 is to 2, and here is another 3 is to 2. So we can write here 15 by 15, 15 is to 10 equals to 3 is to 2 equals to here 12 is to 8. All are equivalent ratio. Look, very easy way we are finding which ratio are equivalent. Okay, so our question was identify the equivalent ratios of the following. So these ratios are equivalent. Okay, so very easy and it's very important, so be careful about this one. Number 6, express the following simple ratios into the mixed ratio. So 6a, here is 3:5, 5:7, and 7:9. So what is the formula? We have to find out first the product of antecedents. It means multiply 3, 5 and 7. So we can write like this: the product of antecedents of the 3 ratio. So we can write 3 times 5 times 7 equals to 3 times 5 is a 15, 15 times 7 is a 105. Next, now we will multiply subsequent 5, 7 and 9. So the product of subsequent of the 3 ratio. Okay, so 5 times 7 times 9 equals to what? Here is 315. Okay, now we will make mixed ratio. So mixed ratio equals to product of antecedents divide product of subsequent, right? Then look, we get 105 and 3 and 5. Okay, now we will divide this fraction here. If we divide 105, so we will get here 1 and here is 3. So 1 by 3, it means 1:3 is a mixed fraction of these 3 simple fraction. Okay, so very simple. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any problem, please write a line in the comments. 6b, everything similar, right? Everything similar. So we can write like this. Here is 5:3, it means 5:3, then 7:5, and finally 9:7. So the product of antecedents of 3 ratio, so 5 times 7 times 9, it means this one and this one. So once we multiply, what we will get? We will get here is 315. Now what about subsequent? So subsequent is 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and what? 7. So here is 105. So we can write the product of antecedents is 315 and product of subsequent is 105. So similar thing, we can divide this fraction by 105. So here is 3 and here is 1. So our ratio is 3:1, which is the mixed ratio of these 3 ratio. So I hope you can do anything. Suppose it's your homework, like 2:3, suppose 5:3, then suppose 3:2, and finally 2:3. This is a simple ratio. We have to make this one mixed ratio. Okay, so number 6 done. Now we will start number 7, where mention what? Here mention express the ratio 9:16 as inverse ratio. So inverse ratio is a simple thing, like 5/6. Once we make flip, it will become 6/5. So similar, 9:16 will become 16:9. This is a what? Inverse ratio of 9:16. Okay, so number 7 done. And this video last question we can write in here, which one of the following ratios are unit ratio. First we have to understand which ratio is unit ratio. That ratio we can call unit ratio which antecedent and subsequent are similar. It means, look, 16 and 13 is not similar, 13 and 17 is not similar, but in number C, 21 and 22, 21 all are similar, right? So this ratio, antecedent and subsequent similar, so our required answer is number C. Okay, so C is our correct answer. So number 8 done. Next video we will start from 9. Till then, keep practice. Ratio is a very important for any kinds of competitive examination around the world. So please keep practice and practice. And if you face any problem, just write a line in the comment section. And also please note that this is also a Facebook page. So this video will published together, YouTube channel and Facebook page. In YouTube channel you can write a line in the description box, and Facebook you can write to my inbox. Take care. Thank you very much for being with me. Please don't forget subscribe my channel X. Thank you.